In today's class, we will be explaining the topic, risk factors in food. Food is any nutritious substance taken by humans and animals in order to grow and retain energy. What are risk factors in food? Risk factors in food are those things that cause diseases after eating spoiled foods. Causes of diseases after eating spoiled foods. These diseases or illnesses are caused by poor handling of foods, improper storage of foods, unhygienic food, and dirty environment. Spoiled food are not good for us, so we should not take bad food. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.